Hypotheses are being tested and proven at Meadows Elementary School as students partake in this year's science fair.
It's a wonderful opportunity for parents and kids to work together and experience science concepts, physics, chemistry in a really fun environment.
Observers probed a variety of projects ranging from the dangers of volcanoes to the strength of different brands of batteries.
I was studying out of books and I made a model with a balloon showing expansion, and my conclusion wasn't like any regular conclusion.
In conjunction with the science fair, we have our math science hands-on activities planned by Meadows teachers, and throughout our school campus there are hands-on math and science activities for the students and families to participate in. We're very excited to be able to have this event and the cooperation between staff and parents and students. It's always a lot of fun and very creative and encouraging to see our future scientists.
After the exhibition, students with projects that placed third or higher were awarded medals.
I won third place for a science project for a potato clock. I used the potato as a battery. It made electricity and made a clock work.
This year at the Meadows Science Fair, we're happy to announce that we had 62 kids participate, which is approximately 15% of the population at Meadows.
We hope the kids take away from it a love for science like we have. That's why we decided to chair this, because we love science and we hope kids appreciate and love science.
For SCV TV, I'm Austin Dave.